guys, what's up? Today I'm here with Cynosure Hair again. This is my second time trying out Cynosure Hair. Oh my god, I got my nails done. If you haven't seen this video, it's now live. Yes, I did a video of how I achieved this. I did it all by myself. I'm still blown away. I can't believe I did this. And not in a million years I'd ever think I could do this. So you can go ahead and check out the video, see how I achieved it and stuff like that. Alright, so I'm working with curly hair again. I missed my curly hair. Today we're working with a bit of inches. We're working with 24 inches. 24 inches of goodness. This is some Indian deep wave hair. What else I got in the bag was this pair of lashes. Very nice. And a wig cap, and I also got a pamphlet just like telling you about hair care, all the different hair that they have, how to open the weft when you get bundles, stuff like that, how to care the hair. Very helpful stuff. Ooh, this feels so soft and silky. It feels so good. Okay, so also this is a 3x4 parting, and it is HD lace that we're working with today. I feel like I want to go in and pluck a little bit more, so I'm gonna do that. Yeah, I want a little bit more graduation, definitely. So I'm gonna do that, and then we're gonna jump into applying this. Feel like, okay, so as you can see, I'm just going in, doing my regular got to be spray and applying it the same way like I always do. I feel like I want to do more baby hairs today. You know, that's the vibe I'm feeling. The baby hairs how I wanted to lay it. As you can see, yes, I went all in today with the baby hairs. So as you can see, I used my mousse and stuff, so when it's dried and everything, you know, I'll go ahead and remove it and kind of brush it out. I wanted to do a little bit more with it, you know, but yeah. So I'm gonna do a center part today, and lay really flat with my hot comb and my hair wax. I don't think I want to do. Should I do a side part? It's been a while since I've done side part with curly hair, early hair. Yeah, I'm gonna do side part. Yeah, my last curly hair video that I did, which was recently, I did center part. So I'm gonna do side part with this. Listen, number one tip to laying your wig really flat, you need a hot comb. I used to think that I wouldn't have to pull my hot comb out, but boy, from the day I took out my hot comb and start laying these wigs, I've never turned back. And I'm using some wax, some hair wax. I usually just focus this on the roots, and once it put the heat to it, it melts right away, and just lay everything really nicely. Did a little something, did a little natural glam. You guys know this is my favorite to do with.
You're feeling something, yeah. You cannot control. You sometimes you came and you changed all my perspective. I'm thinking if I should wet up the hair or not. I don't know what's going on with me from the other day. I apologize if you guys are hearing like those background noises. I'm sorry, a lot is going on in the house, so yeah, that. Oh, by the way, I think I said in a previous clip that it's 24 inches. It's actually 22 inches long, so yeah, just to clarify that. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this wig. I really love how soft it is. Yes, also, I don't know, something about the summertime make me want to just wear curly textures. Maybe because it's an easier texture to deal with during the heat. It's low maintenance in my opinion. You just need to ensure that you're not what would you say, allowing it to get too tangled, because if you allow your curly hair to get too tangled, I mean, you can detangle it, but it's just a lot of work. But apart from that, I love the curlier textures for summertime because it's just easier for me to maintain personally. It looks more like me, it looks very natural on me. Got it wet, and I feel like I played myself thinking that I was gonna close this video out without wetting up the hair. Like, what? Wetting up the hair actually reminded me why I always wet it up. Like, it took it to another level. Like, it's beautiful dry, but it's like stunning when it's wet. That's just me. It's just my preference. Not everybody sees it that way, but like, I just love when the hair is wet. It's just so gorgeous, and then it dries down in this same look. Like, all I put in there now was just mousse though, and water. I didn't put any like conditioner water, you know, that will help to keep it longer and stuff. So yeah, but this is nice. This is nice. I love this. That's pretty much it for today's
video. That's it for today's hair. That's the hair of the day. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. If you're not yet subscribed, go ahead and do so because I upload it very frequently. It's not always one type of video. You know, we do all kinds of stuff over here, so go ahead and drop your video suggestions down below. It doesn't matter what it is. Yeah, so just go and make up on yourself, and I'll see you guys in my next videos. Until then, bye.